Alright, so here's my amazing truck. As you can see, the ABS light, and voltage light are on, which, gets you in trouble. The turn signal and hazards, they operate the first couple times you use them, but then they stop working and you have to restart the truck. What else? This fell out of my horn, which is inconvenient. And to use the fan, and the frosters and all that jazz, you gotta slap that to get it to work. And this interaxle diff thing, which is basically like four-wheel drive for trucks, it does nothing. So this is my truck, and I also consider it to be one of the best trucks in our fleet.